I think any scenario you take with AI, same scenario you take with non-AI, right? The result here could be equally devastating. The only case where we would be scared of AI is somebody has built an AI with a purpose of destroying the human race, right? The Terminator AI, right?
Yeah.
Now that gets released into the world for whatever reason, right? And it reaches a status of power, right? Yes, that is a scary thought. But it's not human beings versus AI,
Yeah.
right? That choice is very clear. The truth is within AI versus AI, right? There are AIs that are, and that's what everyone say. They're going to be bad AIs and good AIs,
Yeah.
right? It's like children, well-trained children, not well-trained children, right? The choices we as human beings make on choosing the well-trained will keep the well-trained above the other, right?
Yeah. So there used to be an email, and someone would click on it, and uh, that would essentially infect the system, right? Now, and this is in May 2000, and cyber security was prevalent at that time. So even with today's cyber security systems, there is always a chase between the threats and the security walls, and the threat keeps evolving. And I was hearing a cyber security expert who mentioned that if an AI is to be trained to somehow infect a system, and because of the generative power of the AI and the kind of scenarios that it can play out in a short duration of time, eventually it will become impossible for any AI deployed on the other side, because it's purely a game of ratios or probabilities that you have, right? You can build against 20 probabilities, but you don't anything outside of your circle of security, any threat, or the kind of threat for which you have not perceived the system to be attacked by, that can come in fact, and that is essentially building a sphere versus the entire universe outside of it, right? So that is the probability that you have on cybersecurity. Cyber warfare, do you think, will significantly evolve once agentic AI is into play?
I think so. I think cyber security is going to be crucial piece of uh, uh, ring fencing against external. Um, yeah, it's like building walls inside cyberspace, right? So that the ones you don't want infecting your this very nice good agentic AI. You don't want them entering your space, right?
Yeah.
So yes, I think viruses are going to be more and more, what do you call, evolved.
So in the scenario that you mentioned, that different AIs would be deployed for different purposes. Yeah. In a cyber warfare scenario.
That'll be an AI too.
And could that AI integrate all those different AIs to build one mega system against yourself, your own defenses against yourself?
Anything is possible, right? As it learns, if its purpose is to stop from something coming and it needs all of this integrated to stop it, it's going to do it. Forget the AI. If you, as human operators, figure out that if I integrate all these things, I might be able to stop the threat that is coming, what will you do?
Yeah, but the ability of a human to achieve that and for a human to counter that has kept the world in balance thus far, at least thus far, right? Like Netanyahu gave a statement that if I build any sort of logic or ethical rules against development of AI, who is going to stop China from doing the same? And therefore, I have no option but to tread forward. That is the only direction that I can move ahead in, because either there is a global consensus which will take years and years and will never happen probably. Everyone has no other option but to build the AI and integrate AI into defense tech and various other fields. Now, therefore, do you think that we as humanity are even ready for this kind of uh, advancement at this stage, given the level of conflicts that we currently have live across the globe?
I don't think I don't think we're ever ready for anything, right? I mean, what are you ready for, right? You know, this is going to happen whether you like it or you don't like it. Are we ready for it? I mean, it's not really we're not really wait. I don't think that has ever been the question for humanity, saying that are we ready for what's going to come next? We are definitely not ready for what's going to come next, and it's always been the case, right? So either so what is going to happen? I mean, what is the fear that that all humanity will die? I'm just saying, what's the fear?
The fear, I think,
Loss of control.
loss of control. The fear is also, see, a lot of people would say that we've seen the green revolution, we've seen the industrial revolution, and we've seen the revolution brought in by computers. But at the same time, and as you also just mentioned, AI is a different ball game. Probably it is not going to be similar to industrial revolution, because the change is going to be at a massively fast and a massively wider scale. It is going to touch every aspect of humanity per se. In that scenario, are are we ready to adapt to that new world, wherein everything from your finances to your personal life to the way you interact with the world, the way you look at the world, the way you spend your day, the way you would wake up in the morning, everything would change.